Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the future of travel photography with the top 5 best travel cameras of 2024. If you're a wanderer, a storyteller, or simply love capturing moments on your journeys, this video is tailored just for you. So, let's get started. Number 1. The Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV stands tall as a testament to innovation in the realm of mirrorless cameras. Combining compact design with powerful capabilities, it serves as a versatile tool for both enthusiasts and professionals alike. This marvel boasts a 20.3 megapixel sensor, delivering stunningly crisp and detailed images. Its TruePic 8 image processor ensures swift performance, enabling rapid autofocus and a continuous shooting speed of 8.7 frames per second. Whether capturing fleeting moments or intricate details, this camera excels. The EM10 Mark IV doesn't just excel in photography, it's a powerhouse in videography too. It supports 4K video recording, allowing users to unleash their creativity in motion. The 5-axis image stabilization ensures smooth, shake-free footage, even in challenging shooting conditions. What truly sets this camera apart is its user-friendly interface. With a tilting touchscreen and intuitive controls, navigating settings becomes seamless. Its compact size makes it an ideal travel companion, ensuring that photographic opportunities are never missed. In conclusion, the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV transcends expectations, redefining what a compact mirrorless camera can achieve. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an avid enthusiast, this camera promises to elevate your creative journey with its blend of performance, portability, and innovation. Number 2. The GoPro Hero 11 Black is a game-changer in the world of action cameras, redefining what's possible in capturing life's adventures. Packed with cutting-edge technology, it's a powerhouse designed to fuel your adrenaline and preserve every breathtaking moment. This compact marvel boasts a 23-megapixel sensor, delivering stunning 5.3K resolution videos at 60 frames per second. Its hypersmooth 4.0 technology ensures buttery smooth footage, even in the most extreme conditions, making shaky videos a thing of the past. From mountain treks to underwater dives, it's your trusty companion in capturing the extraordinary. What sets the Hero 11 Black apart is its adaptive light sensor, enhancing clarity and color in various lighting situations. Additionally, Time Warp 4.0 allows for mesmerizing time-lapse videos with unparalleled stabilization, giving your footage a cinematic quality. The camera's intuitive touchscreen interface makes navigating settings a breeze, ensuring that capturing the perfect shot is effortless. With advanced features like live streaming and voice control, sharing your adventures in real time becomes seamless. In conclusion, the GoPro Hero 11 Black isn't just a camera, it's a storytelling tool that empowers adventurers to immortalize their experiences in unparalleled quality. Whether you're an extreme sports enthusiast or a travel aficionado, this camera is the ultimate companion for capturing life's most thrilling moments. Number 3. The Sony Alpha 7C epitomizes the pinnacle of innovation in the world of mirrorless cameras, blending compactness with uncompromising performance. Designed to deliver professional-grade imaging in a remarkably portable package, it's a game-changer for photographers seeking versatility without sacrificing quality. Boasting a 24.2-megapixel full-frame sensor and the powerful Bionz X image processor, the Alpha 7C ensures exceptional image quality and remarkable sensitivity in various lighting conditions. Its advanced autofocus system with real-time IAF and tracking guarantees precision in capturing every moment with stunning clarity. What sets the Alpha 7C apart is its compact and lightweight design, making it the smallest full-frame interchangeable lens camera on the market. This portability doesn't compromise its capabilities, rather, it enhances the camera's usability, allowing photographers to seize opportunities without being encumbered by bulk. The camera's 5-axis in-body image stabilization system ensures steady shots and smooth video footage, while its 4K video recording capabilities elevate storytelling to new heights. The tiltable LCD touchscreen and high-resolution electronic viewfinder offer intuitive controls, enhancing the shooting experience. Number 4. The Nikon Z FC is a retro-inspired mirrorless camera that beautifully marries classic aesthetics with modern functionality, catering to photography enthusiasts who appreciate both style and substance. Paying homage to Nikon's iconic film cameras, the ZFC boasts a sleek vintage design while housing cutting-edge technology within its compact frame. Equipped with a 20.9-megapixel APS-C sensor and Nikon's X6 image processing engine, the ZFC delivers exceptional image quality and impressive low-light performance. Its 209-point hybrid autofocus system ensures precise focusing, capturing every detail effortlessly. What sets the ZFC apart is its nod to nostalgia, featuring dials and controls reminiscent of classic film cameras. This blend of old-school charm with modern capabilities enhances the shooting experience, allowing photographers to connect with the essence of traditional photography while exploring new creative horizons. The camera's ability to shoot 4K UHD videos at 30 frames per second, along with its tilting touchscreen and intuitive controls, makes it versatile for both photography and videography enthusiasts. Additionally, its compatibility with a wide range of Nikon Z lenses expands creative possibilities. Number 5. The Sony RX100 V stands tall as a pocket-sized powerhouse, redefining what's possible in the realm of compact cameras. Designed for those who demand exceptional performance in a portable package, this camera packs a punch with its advanced features and stunning image quality. At its core lies a 20.1-megapixel 1.0 type stacked exmor RS CMOS sensor coupled with a Bionz X image processor, delivering remarkable image quality and lightning-fast performance. Its ultra-fast autofocus system, boasting 315 phase detection points, ensures sharp and precise focus, capturing fleeting moments with ease. What sets the RX100 V apart is its remarkable speed. It can shoot an impressive 24 frames per second in continuous shooting mode. This, paired with its ability to record 4K videos with full pixel readout and no pixel binning, elevates both photography and videography to new heights. Despite its compact size, the RX100 V doesn't compromise on control and functionality. It features a retractable OLED viewfinder, a tiltable LCD screen, and customizable controls, providing a seamless shooting experience.